How to play Blox Fruits with PS4 controller on mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to play Blox Fruits on PlayStation 4 controller on mobile. It's a straightforward process, so follow along. You're supposed to run your Blox Fruits on your mobile Roblox version using the controller to navigate, dash, and perform various actions. Playing Blox Fruits with a PlayStation 4 controller on mobile is quite simple. It automatically sets up once a controller is detected by your mobile device and ensure that a stable connection, either through a cable or the Bluetooth, works seamlessly. To move around, use the left analog joystick to adjust the camera view. The right analog joystick helps you to navigate, while pressing L1 and R1 brings up the combat tab for accessing the abilities. You can perform quick attacks, ground smashes, and more using the buttons on the right side of the screen. Pressing R2 initiates the combat to attack enemies. Use select for the options on the left side of the screen. While I may not have all the abilities unlocked, you all can access them. Connecting your controller through the Bluetooth is the most convenient method, but a cable works too. Just ensure that the PlayStation 4 controller is detected by the Blox Fruits to play the game seamlessly on mobile. You can customize the keybinds and manage settings within the game. I hope this guide helps you play Blox Fruits with the PlayStation 4 controller on mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.